Yo, what's up? Back at y'all with another video. Today we're gonna be doing some bass fishing. I got my boy Jamie behind the camera. We're just gonna be flipping a popper and seeing what's finna happen. Cameraman Jamie, say what's up, Jamie.
Yodi. Hello.
This is my cameraman for today.
I'm gonna be the cam.
This is the beautiful, beautiful lake we're fishing. Very nice. Stayed last night here. We got a thumb silver popper today. That don't work. We're gonna switch up to some plastics, but we're gonna see. Let's make our first cast. Trying to get a little bass CC to come out there. Imagine first cast today. Holy shit. Alright, so we haven't had a bite yet, but we're gonna try this little spot right here. So let's see what we can do. Oh, I think I got a bite. I did. I just got a bite. You didn't see that? I felt it, bro. That motherfucker tried to nip at it. Just that damn fucking idiot. Come on. Keep moving. Trying to make something out of nothing. Trying to make nothing out of something. I'm trying to make something out of nothing. So it's currently 10:44 at night. We continue to fish the entire pond, and we caught absolutely nothing besides that one little topwater blow up. Nothing, caught nothing. But it was fun. Had a good time with the boys. Did some fishing, camping, swimming. That's all for today. Remember to please like and subscribe. Helps me out very much. Push my channel out there, and remember, we always catching dinks and taking blinks.